If you want to make this for 4, it's in the Simply Raymond Blanc cookbook. In here, I've got 25 grams of morel mushrooms that have been soaking in 150 ml of cold water overnight. So this is a 500 gram block of puff pastry, and I'm going to only use about a third of it. Roll your pastry into 2 rectangles, roughly 12 by 7 centimetres. Lightly score, leaving a centimetre around the edge, but not going all the way through. Preheat the oven to 180. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees with the baking sheet in to preheat as well. Drain your morels into a sieve with a bowl underneath to catch the water, because we're going to use that in the sauce, and give them a really good squeeze to get rid of excess moisture. Do anything. I have to wait. In here, I've got a lightly beaten egg. I'm just going to paint the pastry cases. I'll save that egg. I'll add that to some scrambled eggs in the morning. It's not going to go to waste. Put your pastry on some baking paper. Get your baking tray out of the oven. Slide that on. That for 18 minutes. Tarts have come out of the oven. I'm just going to slide them off the tray. Still hot. You want to just gently put the knife round and remove the lid. And using a spoon, I'm just gently going to scrape out some of the pastry from the middle. Raymond Blanc's version uses a Jura wine. I'm actually going to use Madeira, because Madeira is just so fantastic with mushrooms. I've got 100 ml. I'm going to put it in a little pan, and I want to bubble that on a high heat for about a minute. Meanwhile, I ran the morels under some cold water, gave them a good shake and a squeeze just to make sure any last minute bits of grit are out. In a sauté pan, I'm going to melt about 10 grams of unsalted butter. Cook these mushrooms for a minute or 2. Add the morels in. Season those with a little bit of salt and some black pepper. Pour in the reduced wine, or Madeira, as I'm doing. And 25 ml of the mushroom soaking water. When you measure it out, just be careful that you leave any grit behind that will be sitting in the bottom of the whatever you've collected your soaking water in. So that's 25 ml of soaking water. I've got 100 ml of double cream. Can you see me? No. I've got 100 ml of double cream. Bring that to the boil and cook it until it starts to thicken. This mushroom water, if you are cooking, if you've got something coming up that you could use this as a stock, by all means save that. It's the most fantastic stock. Brilliant to add to risotto. If you're having this for a dinner party, it's a great thing to make ahead. You can make your cases ahead, and you can make this ahead and simply reheat it and serve it. Place a box on a plate. Now, Raymond Blanc is very specific about this. First of all, you need to taste it. Just taste a mushroom. Just the seasoning, I have to say. Using that Madeira has added the most wonderful sweetness. Now, Raymond Blanc is very specific about this. You're not actually using the sauce that they've been cooked in. You don't want the sauce, so you are just going to pile in the mushroom mix and serve some very happy guests. That's magnificent. What a treat. It's not cheap. Morel mushrooms are £13 for a 30-gram box, but they go a long way, and I absolutely adore them.